RS3. Today it's Thursday, December 15, 2022. Turbocharger out. Couple of weeks back, maybe a month back, I installed this turbocharger because the previous turbocharger was producing some metallic shavings, gold color, like the thrust washer inside that failed, and it was making sound when he was boosting. So that time I installed this turbo. Alright. Now, the owner yesterday, he received back the turbo that we sent that time to be checked to see why it makes the sound and what's happening. Let me take it out of the packaging and let's have a look on it. Okay. I don't know what did they change, I don't know what did it fail and was make sound. Most probably the thrust washer, maybe it's a clearance issue or whatever, I have no clue. They didn't say something to the owner. Let me separate it to have a look on it. And this is how it looks like. Oh, they didn't clean it, I have no clue. In any case, let's swap it. Remove the coolant lines, oil lines, all return like the last time. Marking the housing already has a mark here to align it, to don't struggling inside the car. Same thing for the bracket with the boost solenoid and the turbine wheel housing, the hot side. And put it on and see how it's gonna end up. Yay! I hope to be okay this time. This will start making sound from the first week, I think. For 1 week, for the first week it was a break-in period, if you like. It was not boosting the car, it was driving normal. And then we'll start producing some sound. Let's see how we're gonna end up this one now. And here we go. One of the reasons that the owner he didn't keep this turbo, it's because of this. The turbine wheel, it looks like that. And his friend that he gave him, he borrowed to him this turbo, I think that he said that he broke a spark plug. And that's why it ended up like this. Yeah, because it does have an anti-lag. And it looks like that it hit something, some shrapnel on it. In any case, back to this one. When I saw the turbo, the cartridge, when we received it yesterday, when he brought it to the owner, I told him that, to me, with all due respect, it looks like that nobody touched the cartridge. That means you send it to US, then they send it back to you, and nobody touched it. That's how it looks like to me, because it's not being cleaned, it's not being washed. Yeah, I might be wrong, all right? The problem with that, it was that it was producing some glitter, some gold color shavings, okay, very microscopic, and when you spin it, it makes sound. And it continues to make sound, even by, I don't know if you can hear it on the camera. You know what? No, I don't want to say anything because I already spin this one and this is fine. This is not fine, for me at least. We're gonna hear it on the car. Later on, when they're gonna come the guys and they're gonna install it for me, we're gonna have a look on it again. Because it was as soon as we're gonna spool the turbo, even without gear, you can hear the sound from the turbo. All right. To me, it looks like that they didn't do nothing. Just went for vacations in USA. It stayed there, let us say, for, I don't know, for a week. And then they returned back to us here with untouched. Fine. I hope that I'm wrong. Let's see later on. I'm gonna upload this video and we're gonna see later on when the guys they're gonna put it on the car. The cartridge has also serial number on it. All the numbers are there. I didn't touch anything. I just exchanged like what I did before. This piece, the cartridge with the front half. All right, the lines back in place. The owner, he brought a new gasket for the oil return to don't have any headache, don't have any leak. Putting it back and let's hear it idling, just playing with the accelerator pedal. As soon as we're gonna warm up the engine, we're gonna start accelerating a little bit to hear the turbo. Because it's noticeable, you can clearly hear it. Yep, that's it for now. Thank you. Good luck to everybody. Like I said, I hope to be wrong and to don't be waste of time all this. For the customer, for me, for everybody. Have a nice day. Thank you.